In this Blogify review, I wanted to go over with you guys some of the changes that have been made to the new Blogify platform. If you are unfamiliar with Blogify, I'll put a link to the demo and review video that I did earlier throughout this year, but I wanted to give you guys an update on the Blogify platform for 2024. Now, Blogify, of course, will help you to turn your video into blog content. And I want to sort of go over a little bit with you so that you can see the inside of the program and that you can get it while it is still available, because it is most certainly helping me to create some blog content and to get some things out there. Okay. All right. So here's what we're going to do, guys. I'm going to go ahead and go over this content with you so that way you can see the inside of the program and you can see exactly what the Blogify program looks like and the updates that have been made. So that way you can make a more informed decision about this particular software, because I most certainly think that it can help you. Now, it is still available right now on AppSumo for $79 for the basic plan. So you can get the basic plan for about 79 bucks and, start using it, etc. Now, for those of you that are looking to, have a blog program or something that can truly help you, they've got 3 basic plans there. You've got the plan number 2, which is $158. That lets you create about 25 blogs a month, or you can get the plan 3, which will let you create about 50 blogs per month. Okay, so it just sort of depends upon where you are in your process. Now, let me take you inside of the software so you can see what the software looks like, and then that way I can show you how I'm actually using this software. Okay, now this is what the software looks like on the inside. It will tell you the total number of blogs created. It will tell you the total blogs that you've created this month, and it'll tell you the total blogs that you've created for your lifetime. I think I've done 33 blog articles total. So far, I've got 2,100 available credits, so I've got a lot of credits. I've got about 420 blogs that I can do here. And I made another video for our community, inside our free community, showing them how to take other people's content and turn that into a blog. So if you want to learn how to do that, there'll be a link down in the description below, and then that way you can take a look at that, because I gave that to our private community. Now, it doesn't cost you anything, so just make sure that you click on the links and come over to the community. All right, now, what you guys will see in here is you will see an overview. It'll give you a basic overview. It'll tell you the total amount of clicks, whether it's mobile, desktop, etc. It will also show you where your clicks are coming from, Singapore, United States, etc. It'll show you where all that's coming. It'll also show you how much money you've earned in total affiliate commissions, because you can actually put affiliate links inside of your articles in this software, so it makes it really, really easy for that. Okay, now you can actually click here on blogs, and it'll give you all of the blogs that you have created. Okay, and I'm creating a blog post for each one. Now, if you see this little thumbnail not showing up, and the reason why is because this video, inside of my workflow, and this is what I teach you guys, I actually create my blogs before the article even goes live on the website and on YouTube. And so this will actually be coming out at a later particular point in time, and then it'll show up here once it goes live. Okay, so you can do this for all of your blogs, and let me just see here. I'll do 50 per page. So that way you can see I actually use this and I create blogs for this. Okay. All right. Now, what you can do is you can come over here. If I click on the blog, let's click on this. What you will see now is the user interface is even better. You actually can click on and watch the video from here. It will give you a larger size thumbnail here that you can actually click on. You can publish the blog to your WordPress website. You can do Blogger and MailChimp. It actually has a Zapier integration with it as well. So that's how you can do that. And it will actually give you keywords for the blog. It'll give you some hashtags for the blog, as well as some meta information for that as well. Now, if you want to see the entire blog, you just click on Show More, and then it will give you the entire blog. Now, what I typically do for my workflow in this, and I'll probably be putting this inside of the membership for the Video Geek Squad members, I'll show you guys my workflow and what I actually do to enhance all of these blog posts, to make them your own, and so that way you can make them into some awesome content. You can sort of spin that content. All right. So this is how it looks now on the inside. So it's pretty decent, and it's giving you a really good blog post, defining a YouTube creator, exploring the business side of YouTube. So it's giving you guys a lot of good stuff here. Then you have your analytics. If you purchased anything in there, it's going to give you your amount that you earned or the status of it. If you have a subscription, it's going to go over your subscription with you. I've got a lifetime premium account. So this is I can create about 60 blog posts a month. So that's why I tell you guys to go there and get it now while you can. It'll give you some transaction history as well. Now, I also want to talk to you guys a little bit about YouTube Connect. They actually have some subscriptions that you can add to your Blogify account. You can actually get YouTube Connect. This is for $2.99 a month. Now, why this is really good, guys, is you guys need to understand what this is going to do is this is going to help the software to stay around and be around, because they're sort of generating some monthly revenue. And in order for software to sort of get better and for them to, be able to stay around and, make new changes and things like that, they've got to have some type of revenue model. And so right now, this is going to be the revenue model that they get. You can use YouTube Connect. It will automatically connect to your YouTube channel, and it will automatically create the blog post for you, so you don't even have to worry about that. So that's really good if you think about it as far as your workflow is concerned. But as far as I'm concerned, there's a couple of key things that I do in my blog process. And so I'll share that with you guys later. Now, the difference between the YouTube Connect and the Pro Connect is this will actually generate chapters for you as well. So for $9.99 a month, you'll be able to get all of your video chapters as well as comprehensive video summaries as well for your video. So that's pretty cool. And so it's a really good deal here. As far as that's concerned. So that's that. You can also do what's called writing snippets. You can generate email subject lines. You can do Pinterest titles and description, a content rewriter, vision and mission, job description, email subject lines, and content rewriter, etc. So they're sort of adding different things inside of this software to make this software even better. And so this is one of the reasons why I'm going to tell you guys, if you have not gone over to AppSumo to grab Blogify, make sure that you do so, because it looks like this is one of these softwares that you're going to want to keep. And if you're understanding the whole process of, creating blog posts for yourself and creating blog posts for your content, it should make it a whole lot easier for you to do. And if you want to learn how to take, your blogs, your videos, and turn them into blog posts, all I can say is make sure that you, stay tuned to the channel, because, of course, we're teaching you guys how to do that. But this is Blogify.